We are back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. What up, Dean? Yeah, sorry about yesterday. I was with some family and shit, so I didn't make the stream. How are we? How are you? Was I like? I'm pretty sure I was like pretty much smack bang on time for once. Let's fucking go. Xander, what's going on? How are we? Bro, it was a hot fucking day today. Why is that, Dean? It's very strange. Oh, bro, every time. It was a hot day today. It was like 30, 32, 33 degrees. It was warm. It's not even summer. We just got out of the first month of spring. 32 degrees, like, come on. Come on, mate. Good, how are you? Fantastic. I am absolutely fantastic. Oh, did I fuck up? No, I didn't. Okay. We're finally going down. So this was my key area, was this entire green zone, which was 2022's high. It's pretty shit, because you got all the days of the week. But anyway, this was my key area. Red Dog, what the fuck? Hell yeah. It's been a while. This is my key area to jump into some super aggressive shorts. I didn't actually go that aggressive. My total lot sizes was like 50 something, and I only jumped in on an 18 because I was very speculative. But as soon as we got out of this green zone, I had a sell stop for shorts out of it. So I'm pretty sure we got into it, and then we got into it here, and then we popped straight. I just didn't even look at it. I was just like, fuck it. And then now we're tumbling on down, which is fantastic. I'm gonna put this smack bang in the middle. Meeksy, thank you very much for the heart me and the Go Popular. I appreciate that. Guess what we also got? We got our flares. We got our flares. I was sitting there, I barely slept last night because I was like sitting there clicking the fucking thing to get some flares, and I got them. So we got some flares. Been good, just finishing school. 3 weeks left. Nice. That's exciting. Very exciting. I could have made like 8 to 10k this week if I would have just followed through with the strat. Leave the trades before they hit TP. Like, you exit. Every time I put TP, it gets hit, but my bitch ass can't somehow leave the trade alone. Yep, gotta walk away. Can't look at it. Cannot look at it. But that's very common. That's very, very common. How much she made this week? 4.79%, but that's not normal. That was super aggressive because we were going to have a pretty bad month last month, and I think it was Monday or Tuesday I went super aggressive, got out with some shit. But yeah, flat for the month. I'm so keen to get out of this, and I'm so keen to start Because, I mean, there's not much, like, I'm not really paying attention to the news or anything. I'm not really, because I'm just in this, not worried about anything else. So, I'm keen to get stuck back the fuck into it. Is he getting summer there? No, we got 2 more months till summer. I made some cash with manual on my account. Nice. We got flares. We do have flares. Happy birthday for the other day. Missed it. That's okay. No stress. We had a really good stream. We had a really fucking good stream. It was one of the biggest donation streams we've ever had. It was fucking crazy. Absolutely crazy. But that's okay. No stress. You're here now. How have you been though? Eggsy? What do you think about gold? I did see that it dropped and then popped back up, so I'm not really surprised about that. Bit of a retracement. I'm sure there's probably lots of profit-taking moves in there. Am I tripping? Where was that big drop? Where everyone fucking... Was that it? Yeah, okay, that was it. Maybe it just didn't look like any... Oh, right, here. I don't know if that was news related or not, to be honest, because I don't really pay attention to gold, but... Buy it. Busy working trying to pay off these vet bills. Yes! Shit, what happened? I told you to keep me updated! To be fair, I forgot too, but shit. Is... Puppy, yeah. Puppy okay. I hope so. That sucks though. Really does. Pets are expensive. Stone stuck in his intestine. Fuck. That's rough. That is super shit. God. Well, I hope the dogs are okay. Now, at least. But yeah, that's rough. Man, my eye is like... I get like strains in my eyes when I stare at the computer for too long and all this shit. Fuck, my eyes cooked. I'm like so close to passing these demo challenges. I just need to learn to leave. Literally all the trades this week were so beautiful and smooth. When I learn to leave, I'll make about 5-10k a week probably and can pass the challenges. Good. You have to make the step to just step away from the computer or your phone, whatever you're trading on. You just have to. At least you can identify the problem, but yeah, you got to do it. Otherwise, you're just going to cook yourself. Ruin it for yourself. 2 nights stay in vet hospital. One of those nights was a public holiday. Oh, that's not good. Fuck. So do they charge extra when there's a public holiday? Can imagine how much that was. Lucky pet insurance help though. Yeah. That's what it's for. 30% extra. Fuck. That's rough. Jeez. Risked too much of my position but made some good money. Nice. I mean, nice but not nice. We all know what happens when we break rules. Look at me, for example, on this fucking New Zealand dollar. I mean, I kind of broke rules, sort of. I just didn't scale out early enough. So this one just sucks, man. Just not being able to get out of that on the exits was just so unfortunate. And then we got stuck. I used to go shower when I entered. Yeah, if it works, it works. True. Yeah. Yeah, just be careful. Just be careful. I know you will be. I'm easy, papito. Oh, yeah. So this was so you know my Aussie dollar New Zealand dollar, this was basically just my key area of interest for potential resistance back to the downside. So this was around about 2022's high. So I just chucked this box here. Let me try and find it. Yes, I love slow VPSs. Oh, we don't even have that much data on H4. Need to go to daily. Alright. So up here is basically where I was looking for shorts out of Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, to go a little bit more aggressive. And we jumped into it, and then I just put a sell stop right underneath, so because I didn't want to stare at this forever. And yeah, we got out. I mean, we're not out, but we got out of the zone, so we got our sell in, and we're having a little bit of a, it's a pretty decent, I might even add on to this, which is like so wrong, but if we can get a little bit more of a push out of this kind of area here, because we could just flip flop around here before we get another, or double top out of this. I don't know. So we'll see. We'll see. But so far so good. We're looking nice and lovely. Oh, shit, Mick. What's good? Colin should be here soon. Congrats on accomplishing the 12th birthday. What? Mick, did you take any trades today? Damn, still can't spell. Gotta love being on the spectrum. Nah, you're good. 319 this week. Fucking hell. Well, slow it down. We don't want what happened before to happen again. And the rubber drop bear with some ice cubes. Thank you very much. Welcome back. My back is so bad at the moment. Oh, I can't do that. Oh, goddamn. Seeing as I haven't really been paying attention much. What do we have? Swiss CPI. Isn't it yeah, it is non-farm. Oh. What was that last night? I've not looked at anything US dollar. I mean, that's a horrendous gap. Did that do anything? I don't know how to been. 30 last night. I mean, that's... $30 last night, so that was... Yeah. 20.5 hours ago. Okay, so we can just do 24. So... 12. That's easy. And then just go to 330. Well, was it quarter past? Actually, yeah. That makes more sense. Well, it's quarter past, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cooked. Why does it say tentative on unemployment claims? $10.30. That's fucking weird. Okay. Yeah, fuck. Let's hope that, because non-farm always has a fucking, makes the market have an aneurysm. Let's hope that it, wow, nothing next week. Rate statement, New Zealand dollar. Please be positive, New Zealand dollar, and rate statement, just give us something. Let's get this shit down. Fuck. I want to be out of that before then. God damn. Hopefully we can get out of that, and then, to be fair, I wouldn't even turn anything back on until next week anyway. It's non-farm. And that number scares me. So, yeah. Have a look. Half shot is back, half shot is back. I might have to take it off because I want the market to dump. Please and thank you. Where are you? I'm gonna get some breakfast. Oh, sweet. I might be here, might not. New best week, 319 so far. Hoping to save up. Well then, turn everything off. CA, can you check AJ? What? Unprofitable goober. You're right. Never made a single dollar in trading in my life. I'm actually down like so much money. Please help. Help me out, bro. Please. Please, please, sir. Oh, Aussie yen. Yeah. I haven't traded yen pairs in a very, very, very long time. Don't we have yen news tomorrow? Weeda. I don't even know how to say that name. Tomorrow morning. Will that do anything? Probably fucking not. Maybe. If they chat some shit. Technically. So it doesn't look like last week's low has been respected at all whatsoever once, and then that was it. So maybe yesterday's low we'd look at for potential longs, but even regardless, I wouldn't take anything from on this. Yeah, maybe wait for yesterday's low and just support up to, but even still, there's not enough. Like we could just be, because we've kind of broken structure at the moment. Well, support and resistance. Broken through, this could be lower high, lower low. The Aussie dollar is still quite strong. However, I actually don't know about the yen. I really don't. Yeah, I don't know how I'd feel about shorting that. Long term. Fundamentally, I don't know. There is a bit of weakness coming in the Aussie dollar on everything, I'm pretty sure. Nope. I lied. Didn't see that. Yeah, okay, I didn't see any of that. Okay. Well, I don't know. It's a hard one. Difficult. I can't turn it off. I'm at work. I'm only in one position. Oh, you're good then. Kick. Sorry. Slept 4 hours, didn't trust myself to take anything else. Okay. Everything happened during the 15-minute before London. How was birthday, Big Tom? It was good. My birthday was fucking so good. I had such a good birthday. Like, I really did. I didn't really do much. I just kicked back here and worked and whatever, but it was good. It was very good. Government is shut down, so all news is likely to be delayed. Has that actually come into effect? Oh, we got trade balance. Wow. I mean, it doesn't look like anything particularly has happened to the market catastrophic, so it might just be business as usual. I've never been trading whilst there's been one of these government shutdowns, so I don't know. Tom texted me the word. I smiled so hard. Was it also in pound pairs? Just the volume. Yeah, but like, why? Why would that have an effect on the market? Unless it was like fundamental, why would it have a volume impact? Because the banks won't be shutting down. I would presume not. Sometimes, like, something like this happens, buying power just kind of halts in anticipation of what is going to happen. Okay, well, yeah, that would make sense. That's all over the news. Only important people are working. Okay. That would affect the pound pairs volume. I mean, the US dollar kind of, they're the big dogs, so if the US dollar moves, everything moves. No champ, will gold hit 39? I don't know. I'm gonna try gold. Probably. Like, no doubt in my mind. No doubt for a second. But I don't trade gold, so you're asking the wrong person. Till they can agree on the immigration bullshit, I believe it's all about. Gotcha. It's about 7 years in immigration. Bro, I was reading fake comments. Yes, okay. Fake comments. Sure. Dollar controls everything. Yep. What do you trade? Currencies. What do I know what to trade and when? Also, how can I know what all stuff about trading means? Go to my Discord. Haven't heard that in a while. TikTok Zenzip. Thank you very much for following me. Go to my Discord. Discord's linked in my bio, and go watch the Trading for Beginners course. Free course. Boot camp. Whatever you want to call it. It's short, but it'll give you the basics. Come to kick it all touch. Yeah, come look at the fake comments. Oh. That makes sense. Oh. An example, the yen this morning, where it keeps talking about interest rates going up even after a $550 billion surge from the US government, and that fuck shit happens before London Open. Yeah, it's unlucky. Was it? I thought that was someone else talking. Uchida. Whoever the fuck that is. Yeah, who's in charge these days? Yeah, I don't even know. I got a question. How do you know when New York session and London open and close in Australia? Well, you can Google stuff, right? London market open time, right? So it is 8 a.m. till 4:30 p.m. London. Alright? So say you live in so then we'll do this. London time. 10:15. Alright? So go back an hour and 45 minutes from whatever time it is currently wherever you are in Australia. So an hour and 15 minutes, wait, no. An hour and 45 minutes ago, London opened. There you go. And then just do that for New York as well. I used to have a website that you could put like your time zone and all this shit in, but the website went down. What did you search up? Oh, I don't know. Just look up New York Stock Exchange opening time. There you go. Oh, yeah. Baby Pips has everything. Thank you very much, Mick. Go on there. I don't even know what I am. Yeah, GMT 10. So you can do this. God, that's fucking whack. But yeah. That's wild. That has the most volume. London close? All good. No stress. Thank Mick. Thank you, Mick. Appreciate that. From my fake comments, apparently. What currency? I trade 16 different currencies. So anything Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Canadian dollar, pound, euro. Do you trade? Give me a quick, simple answer to what your strategy. My strategy, I mean, quick and simple would be, the market rises, so extension, I'll get in short, no stop loss, very small risk. And then if it continues to go up, I'll martingale my way in and I will scale into the position, short, short, short. And I'll do that at a 1.3 times multiplier of my initial lot size. And then I'll do a 1.3 times multiplier of that lot size. That will bring our break even closer to our next entry position. So we only need a smaller pullback to get out with profit. So I do not know. Oh, fuck. So wherever that was, we would have got out there. I think that's where I just was looking at. Actually, we probably would have scaled in this a couple of times. So we probably would have been able to get out there, potentially. But we're just accumulating at the moment. Actually, would I have gotten in this? I wouldn't have got in there. So I would have only got in. Oh, this is 75. I would have gotten in there. Would have gotten in here. And then probably here again. Break even. I would have been out of that. With two positions. Okay, thank you. Strategy. Blood flows the chart up. Ball form and monster. That appears to the downside equals money. Strat never fails. Doesn't. The African heart strategy is better. Thank you for following me also. So bright. I'm blinded. The fair king's fair skin is unapologetically radiant. My nose congested, bro. Make some bread for me. I can't even breathe, dog. That's fucked, you crook. But you're just chatting shit with these random as fuck lines. Come on. You're right. I have no idea what I'm doing. Help. Can you, do you want to tutor me? Please help. Help. How much money have you roughly made in trading? I don't tell people that. Why don't you put stop losses? Because I don't need to put stop losses. Because my risk is all the way down. And if I use stop losses, my strategy wouldn't work. Oh my. What up, QW? I was actually going to message you. I forgot to message you to say thank you. Because that was very generous of you. Very generous. And it very much did make my birthday. So I was going to message you. But I forgot. But I will after this, maybe. Please help. Yeah, what's up? This is Aussie or US dollar. Just piss farting around here. There's not a whole lot going on, laddie. talking. Oi, look who it is. Don't think you need to ask TikTok how long a 5-minute candle lasts for. I should. Yep. Yep. Type 1 if this guy has no clue what he's saying. Okay. Why are you like asking me questions then? I've been waiting an hour and a half for entry on NQ. Lol. Rip. How can you not say that, but you can say that? Like, that makes no sense. Yeah, it makes it, I don't even. People are just not with it today, I guess. We don't get many people coming in here talking shit much anymore, but today. What do I know? I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Tommy boy, good morning, right? Yes, good morning. For you, how are you? Did you get that blood test? I don't actually think I replied to that. The blood test message. Oh yeah. That's a lot of blood. Well, hopefully you can get that gonorrhea all cleared up and everything, man. Like, that's must be tough. What up, Chevy? How many trades do you do a day? Usually, I mean, it changes every time. Maybe 1 or 2. What time do you usually trade? Doesn't matter, I'm a swing trader, I'm always trading. What was the market's reaction to? I don't think that he knows. But then, like, why waste everyone's time? So yesterday I donated separate from the test. Today I get the actual test. Yeah, just ignore him. Whatever. Any stop loss? Nope. What pair? This is Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. Yeah, don't even bother. People are weird. It's fine. Stop loss, because I don't need one. My strategy doesn't use a stop loss. This guy has to be like trolling. Like, there's actually no way. Or he's like drunk. So it's always a win. Wow. I mean, not necessarily, right? Not necessarily. So let's do this. Let's do this. I'll show you guys how it works. I haven't done this in a while, so let's just give me a second. I can't leak everything, so you guys can look at my pretty face for a second. I'm just gonna make sure my settings. Sure, I can do that after. Oh, okay. I didn't realize it was gonna open on that screen anyway. Oh, What the hell are even these settings? The fuck? What the fuck was I testing? What the fuck? Bro, what is this? Wow, I haven't done this in so long. Okay. Shit. What the fuck are these settings? No. Okay. I'll literally show you how my strategy works. They should all be off. I think this is right. I don't know. Let's roll with these settings. Let's go fucking who cares when. And let's go, I don't know, let's go something simple. Euro USD. Where are you? Fuck it, pound US dollar. Ah. I don't know what I'm talking about. What the fuck am I doing? Shit, when did this start from? Oh no. I think I fucked this up, but it's okay. Alrighty. So, as you can see, we've had a large extension on the market. Now, can you guys see this? Yeah. We've had, oh fuck no, you won't be able to see that. We've had a large extension on the market. We've reversed. We got into an entry. By the way, I do this pretty much all automatically. I developed this expert advisor, which is like a trading bot, to get me in and out of most of my positions. So we have our set target, which is based on parameters that I set within my expert advisor. And it will target those. If this continues to go in the opposite direction, we will continue to scale in. But we took profit straight away. So here we go. Here's one. We got into another one. It should not have got me in there, but it did. I think this is one of the old versions of the EA. So it probably shouldn't have, but this is a good example, right? So blah, 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 extended short. Our TP was here. It continued to go up. So we've scaled in again at a 1.3x multiplier, which brings our break-even level to here, and it pushes our TP up from there to there. Now, I probably should have gone through these settings a bit more. That TP seems a bit far away. Actually, no, it's because we're on a 5 minute. That's not that far away. But that's our break-even level now, right? So if we get to here or even to here and we see some, you know, fucking support levels that we might pop off of, we can just take profit there. Doesn't particularly matter. And if it continue, okay, well, we took profit. So it basically does that. Now, we're only risking 0.1 to 0.25% of our account each trade. So it's either 0.25 or 0.1. That's what I recommend, and that's what I use, depending on market conditions, conflicts, fundamentals, stuff like that. So we got into another one. I think this is one of the fucked versions of the EA because it shouldn't be taking a trade there. But who gives a shit? And yeah, so that's basically how it works. And then we're in and out, didn't have to scale into that. And we can continue on. There you go. We got 3 entries on this. We got 4 entries, 5 entries. Come on, give us more. You sit back and you wait. Imagine if this is like some fucking ridiculous squeeze that I didn't, when is this? You know, whatever. Well, there we go. We got out. That's how it works. You're just in and out, in and out, in and out. And this is concurrently running on 16 different pairs, for me at least. I used to run 28, but I don't anymore. It's too stressful. Now, these are more aggressive settings to most people, so you have to definitely be on top of it and scale out when necessary, but yeah. It's basically how it works. So actually, let's just pause this for a second and go back. So you said you always win, right? So doesn't mean technically we win the basket of trades, but it doesn't mean we win every single trade. So just because this one and this one have yielded more profit than the overall drawdown in this one still loses, right? So overall, our win rate would technically, off of this trade, be 66%. So, however, the entire position was profitable. On paper, it'll say our strike rate's less than that. Yeah, that's how it works. Actually, we can look. I reckon we got in so much drawdown because of whatever the fuck that was. What's our drawdown? 7%. Yeah, that was a lot. But we probably would have scaled out of that anyway. Yeah, that one was pretty hefty. Yeah, getting down to here, I probably would have taken off some of these positions up here. But yeah, there you go. Meow. Bit of education for once. I mean, not really educating, but you know what I mean. Oh shit. Oh my god, how much? Bro, I gotta read all this? Might as well read a book. I was just trying to clear out the letter from my blood. I think help speed. I mean, would make sense. Expect the trend followers to be coming on smoke saying I'm right and hence you must be wrong. True. I think this could be the first victim. Daniel Goggins TikToks are going to be coming back. It's time to lock in. Stay hard! On high, you can see the... I'm not even going to read that. Yesterday, I saw broccoli head scrolling through Goggins TikToks while the gym next to me. Okay, why is it pink now? Looks like... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why the fuck it's pink. I was probably drawing something. Was it this color? Oh shit. Yeah. I was probably drawing something. C5, thank you very much. C5. She sounds appetizing. Can I have some? That's Seafoam looks pretty wet. What the fuck? you fucking okay. No, I believe you. Amen. We are about the positive vibes and hate. There you go. Get blocked. Finn, what up? Why do you prefer to swing trade, not day trade? Because I don't need to day trade, and swing trading's arguably more reliable. Less stressful. Saves time. Okay, P-Dog 8000, thank you for following me. He swings that way and we all respect his decisions. Hey bro, hope you're doing well. What up? Thank you very much for the birthday message, Mr. Ghost Rider. I appreciate that a lot. LeBron or Michael Jordan? No, I don't really follow basketball. That's like saying, like, Michael Jordan's like the GOAT from ages ago, but LeBron's like better. So it's like, you know who I was actually thinking about today? Because something popped up on something. I mean, it was today or yesterday. And someone was talking about Tifu. Remember that guy? Tifu? Something popped up about him quitting streaming. Like 6, 7 years ago, he was like if people say, oh, who's the GOAT of Fortnite, they'll say like, oh, Tifu. Maybe. A lot of people do because he was so famous and he was like so good. But now there are like people out there that are just so much better than he ever was, but he's still the GOAT. You know? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Or like Mike Tyson. There's probably better fighters out there than Mike Tyson ever was, but Mike Tyson's still the GOAT. So, I don't know. You know what I mean, though? What up, Mama Bear? Holy shit, it's been a long time. All love, bro. Thank you. Thank you very much, man. How many years have you been trading? 5? If you're not choosing, it's just where you what, bro, what the? What's been happening? How you been? Do you remember that McGregor fight where he got his face destroyed? Which one? Try to say that? Nope. Taking it pretty easy at the moment. Pretty damn easy. I like that name. That's actually funny as fuck. Oh, I really need to piss. Can I be bothered though? Not really. pretty sure he was supposed to fight Tyson. I think it was Tyson who was talking shit and it became a huge media thing. Tyson? No way. Oh lordy lord. Hello. What do you mean?
Johnny, call Michelle. Stop drinking.
Hold up. Say that one more time.
Sorry?
Say that one more time.
Start drinking.
I'll call you after.
What are you doing?
I'm streaming.
Wait, one speaker?
You were for 1 second.
Put me back on.
Dude, don't get me banned.
I won't get you banned.
Alright, what do you
Come
want to say?
Wait. Pay for this guy's drinks tonight. He needs a drink. It's his birthday week. Okay, alright, good luck.
Alright, see you later. Fucking Jesus. Anyway, get me out of this. I actually need to piss. I mean, he fought Floyd. It's all those energy drinks. Yeah, dude. Yeah. You should do a stream where you just call your mates. Oh, dude. Ow, 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 ow. Oh. I'm gonna say outlandish things. No way. Yeah, well, I mean, you heard him. He said pay for my drink. So, I mean, donations. Come on. Where are they? I'm joking. Someone have a cat in here? The fuck was that? If we were on the same continent and still going hard, we would have a blast. Oh, fuck yeah. But, no. We're not. Yes, intros. Sell entry. What? How are you finding the US shutdown affecting trades? I'm only in one pair, so it's not doing shit. And it didn't look like it was doing anything to any US dollar pairs either, to be honest. Like, nothing catastrophic. It looks pretty fucking normal. Been fucking sideways for a few days. There's nothing happening. Speedy! What's going on? How are we? What's good, man? How's that drawdown looking? Mine has also jumped up to about the same as yours. Mine's down to 25, I think. which is still horrendous. But this whole key area that I was looking at, getting out, using kind of this area to get out. I put a sell stop right at the bottom of this. I probably should have, I only did 18 lots when my total was like 55. So I kind of fucked up with that, but that's okay. I didn't want to go too aggressive. I just don't know. This thing has just surprised me left, right, and center. Freddie, thank you very much for the heart me. I appreciate that. And thank you very much for following me as well. That's very kind of you. So yeah, I think it's down to like 25. It's probably actually lower now. I can check. Actually, no, it probably is 25 because I think it was 27 or so. I can't remember. Let me have a look real quick. $26. So we're coming down. Oh, fuck. Nose, bro. How are you doing? How's everything looking with you? Oh, bro, my eyes. Strained to fuck. You're in US, Australia. Yep, thank you, Speedy. Australia. Meeksy with choco strawberries. You don't need to send me gifts. No gifts. No gifts. No gifts, please. Thank you. I very much appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's what I was waiting for. Oh. Let's have a look. The US dollar buys is terrifying. You're a CAD. We might have to. We're definitely gonna have to scale back. Probably your position side. This is too much. This gives me fucking. I'm gonna have fucking nightmares and panic attacks about looking at your fucking drawdown. That's scary. Being in buys on US dollar on pretty much everything. Euro USD, Pound USD, US dollar CAD, US dollar Swiss, US dollar Yen. Okay, well, the main ones we got to focus on, because the other ones we can deal with, right? The main ones is that US dollar Swiss and the Euro CAD. What is it? What US dollar Swiss is a buy, which is not ideal. Am I missing something? Oh. Okay, so you've probably been in this for a while. Unless you just went really aggressive. Half a lot. Fuck, this is it's so sketchy with non-farm. Oh, fuck me. Fuck it, I need a bigger picture. Okay, you're still Swiss. Where's your exit? Or where's your break even? A little bit concerned with tomorrow's US dollar. Yeah, fuck yeah. Six Sticks, what's going on? What are your thoughts on the XRP? You know what's crazy? I actually looked at XRP today. Believe it or not. Boing! Oh, no. Fucking who knows? Holy shit! Okay. God damn. It's a bit, but is that your exit? 0.79577? Was that's what it's currently trading at it? Yeah. What's yeah, if you can check the break even for that. God, this thing is just fucking. That's one of the best things that I've done for my non-existent soul, because I'm a ranger, is not trading Swiss or yen pairs anymore. They're just so fucking stressful. Look at how many times this shit happens. And this is daily too. Oh, that's fucked. At least with the Aussie or New Zealand odds, positive swap fees. So I'm like getting paid, technically, sort of. Fuck. The problem is these two, the US dollar Swiss, the Euro CAD, I wouldn't be. Let's have a look at Euro CAD. Yes, you get some movement with the CAD on NFP, but I worry about it that much? Not really. God, this thing's been going for a while too. When was the last time I traded this? A month ago today. Fucking hell, I've been out of the game for a while. Okay, let's just look for. Oh, fuck, that actually sucks that it popped through last week's high. Well, we got yesterday's high at least. Wait, what are you in shorts? Or you have to be in shorts. Yeah. Damn, down here would have been a great time. If we can get back down to here, look at taking some positions off or cutting them back 50%, you know what to do. Maybe taking some off down here if we can just use this as like just a channel, support and resistance. If we can get back down here maybe by tonight. Do we have anything tonight that we could use? I don't think so. I think it's all done. Well, what the fuck is happening with this shit, right? Are we actually going to get news tomorrow? Does everyone know when they officially shut down the government or whatever? Yeah, that hurts. That hurts my fucking everything. Oh! God. You got a bit of margin though. Fuck around with, but still. The others are fine. It's just two. It's just USD Swiss and Euro CAD. Hopefully you can use this Euro CAD to get out of some shit on a pullback. Because that, I mean, with that high of a percentage, any move up or down will cause significant drops or increases in total drawdown. So, I mean, shit, if we get down to fucking, down to here, you'd be at like fucking, what, 10% or some shit? Depending on where your positions are. Actually, don't know. Just all Swiss. Okay. Oh, I'm looking at Euro CAD. Oh, fucking moron. Yeah, the US dollar Swiss, I actually don't know. These things are, I fucking hate US dollar Swiss. See, I don't like that. I don't know what happened there. Probably news, but fuck, if that wasn't there, I'd just be using this as a level to get an aggressive. Target one of these. Tapping into that. I don't know. But for starters, I'd turn everything else off. If there is even any pairs left, I'd turn them all off. Oh, CAD yen, I didn't even see that either. That's getting up there. It's probably similar. Do we have a spot? Oh, don't break through. Holy fuck, if that breaks through. Oh, do not. You can try luck with a CAD yen aggressive, but only take, I would probably only look at taking partials on this, because that does not look good. That looks like it's gonna keep dropping. Wait, you in sells on that? I mean buyers. Yeah. Fucking hell. You could be looking at this level here. For potential retracements. If we don't double bottom. Which fuck, hopefully we do. It's a tough one. Could drop a couple of those pairs. All the risk. Just have to. It's actually not the worst spot for a buy. God, we've been fucking sitting down here pretty much. They gotta come in at some point. It's just fucking how long? Yeah, that's a tough one. Gotta love the slippage. What slippage? So, what? What's up, David? You asking me our chicken or my lamb? Eric has the worst flow close about you. Yeah. Yeah, it's not good. You give me fucking heart palpitations. Oh shit. Thoughts on Jesus? Another. I have nothing crazy. Gonna be laughs and beauties. That was fucked, yeah. Yes. Midnight tonight. it's just fucking ridiculous. Here it goes. Yep. Worldly, what's going on? Ring a ding. The Pengu King is in. What do you mean? What's this Pengu shit? Where's Farcoin? Believe it or not, I've had some mail for a long investment. Jump on Unity. Shares will go through the roof before you know it. At midnight last night. So I'm getting confused as fuck. Fuckcoin is in the bin, is it? It's kind of funny though, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. But get on Pengu swear this time. Yeah. Yeah, righto. Let's have a look. I should not have clicked that link onto here. $12 out. 120 hours? I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at. Oh, 1 day, 6 hours, 6 minutes, 17 seconds. I don't know what, like, so this is just how long it's been shut down. He's just ignoring his little, what do you mean? I'm not ignoring you guys. Come on now. At the top of it, yeah. Yeah, that time is going up though. How long are they shut down for? Can you look at Solana? I don't have Solana on here. On like anything. My apologies. Till it resolves. Oh, right, yeah, someone said that earlier. That's just weird. This is stupid. Like, what website? Oh, fuck, I fucked that up. So the public finance bill? Someone says something else. I've actually had like 3 different people tell me 3 different things. Dem said, hey, you know what? Let's just stop drilling our job for a while. Sam, how are we? I watched your video your other video on replay. Happy birthday, legend, for the other day. Thank you very much, Sam. I appreciate that. And yeah, any questions, just send them through. What time frame is this? Although you came at a pretty bad time because we are almost jumping off. What time frame is this? 5 minute. Yeah, we're slowing down. And I'm hungry! Although I'm not gonna eat till like fucking 1 a.m. Watch on replay. Easy. Easy. Really? Dean. Is the public finance bill something to do with extending tax on Obamacare for the next year? So the Democrats wanted, Republicans said no and proposed something else. The Democrats rejected it, so hence no agreement. Shut down. Yeah. Let's have a disagreement. Let's just stop the government. Yeah. Bro sends me a text too. Time to drink. Like, relax, brother. Relax. It's fucking. Yeah, America, fuck yeah. Sounds excessive. Yeah, they might be the most unhinged person I've spoken to. Yeah, yeah. He's pretty bad. Although you haven't seen me off stream. Like, if you saw me in person or spoke to me in person, you'd be like, holy shit. I need to clean my ears out. All right, we're jumping off. Everyone have a fantastic evening. I should be back tomorrow, 6:45 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. You know the go. Make sure you're following. If you're not following, join the Discord. If you're not in the Discord's linked in my bio. All of that good stuff. Wait, okay. What's up? What's up, Buttercup? Wait. Thank you. All good, Rick. Take it easy. See you later. Meow. Holy shit, we just hit the... Oh, wait, no, we... Oh, no, we hit that. 180 comments. Okay, we're not getting that. Okay, yep. See you later. Bye. Meow.